How to schedule Instagram stories. If you are a creator or a business owner, then this can be very useful to you. And in order to do that, first of all, go to your web browser and type Meta Business Suite. Now go to the very first link that you get and make sure you are logged in, and also make sure your Facebook and Instagram are connected. After that, scroll down, click on Planner, and there you will see this schedule post option. Go ahead and click on the notch beside that, and there you will see schedule stories. Go ahead and click on that. Now pick up the date and time that you want, and once you do that, go ahead and choose Instagram, since we are talking about Instagram in this video. Now add the media, and once it's uploaded, go ahead and click on schedule story, and this will schedule your story for whatever date you have chosen. If you want to see your schedule posts and stories, go ahead and click on post and stories. There you will see the second option, stories. Go ahead and click on that and click on scheduled. Here you can see your scheduled story, and in this way you can schedule stories on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.